To cancel your order, head to Orders section of your dashboard. Use the search box or the filters to find the individual order you want to cancel. You can search by name, email, transaction ID or ticket code to make finding the order easier. When you've found the order you want to cancel, click anywhere in that row to open a pop-up showing the order details. Click the Cancel Order button. Enter the reason for the order cancellation in the box provided. Your ticket buyer will see the cancellation reason on their automated email. If you are not issuing a refund, make sure to select No Refund from the drop-down menu and click Cancel this order. Cancelling an order does not automatically refund the customer's payment. To issue a refund, select the type of refund you want to issue from the drop-down menu. You can refund an entire order payment with the option to retain fees. You can refund a percentage of the order total by adding the percentage amount into the box that appears when you choose this option. You can choose Refund a specific amount to manually type the refund amount you want to send to your customer. Then, select how you want to issue the refund from the second drop-down, which shows the types of refunds you can issue to your customers. Click the Cancel this order button. Your customer will be sent a cancellation email to notify them that their ticket is no longer valid and that a refund has been issued.